Hello, not going to keep you long today. I'm going to do some cheese on toast, but this cheese on toast, we've got some Worcester sauce in there and some mustard. It's really delicious. Serving this with some eggs and beans. Let's get on with it. Right, let's have a look at what we have here. So I've got some cheddar there grated. I'm using a nice sharp, mature, strong cheddar. I like that in there. You can choose a cheese of your choice. A knob of butter, as we call it, maybe like a tablespoon of butter. Mustard, try and use English mustard, nice kind of sharp taste there. And Worcester sauce, or as some of you say, Worcestershire sauce, you pronounce it Worcester. We're going to add some black pepper to that as well. What we're going to do, get a bowl, mix it all together. Beautiful. Okay, mixing bowl, cheese is in. Like I say, I'm using a nice, strong, mature cheddar. I love that. Black pepper. And let's not be shy with that. Plenty of black pepper in there. A little bit of Worcester sauce. A couple of teaspoons there. Butter, which I've just melted down, just to soften it just a little bit. And then my mustard. Like I say, I like the strong English mustard. But if you want to try sort of Dijon or something like that. Now you can see I've got my glove on. You can mix this with a spoon, or you can be like me and get in there with your hand and just really, really mush it up together. Back in a second. Okay, and that's what you should end up with. Absolutely wonderful. Next up, let's get some toast happening. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, a couple of slices of lightly toasted bread. Simply, we're gonna sort of divide this into two. Get it on there. And you can do this as thick or as thin as you like, really. And then I'm just going to spread that out onto that with a fork. And then absolutely super easy, pop this under the grill. Like 2 or 3 minutes, you know what we're looking for. Get that nicely melted. And this is going to be done. And it's going to be delicious. Another thing you could mix into this if you like it is a little bit of Marmite. Get some Marmite in the mix and sort of get that going. That can really get it tangy. But that's it, super easy, under the grill. See you in a minute. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, and there you go, look at that. Beautiful, really sort of gooey as it falls off, nicely done. Serving this with a couple of slices of tomato, fried egg and some baked beans. Wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.